You have observed God's nature, and you go to your kitchen, you go to the yard, you have fully understood what is translation, reflection, rotation, and dilation. You also understand translation, reflection, and rotation. They are called isometric transformation because the shape, the size, the angle, the side length don't change. What change is the location change, and they're flipped, they're being rotated, they're being slided. Today, we are focusing on translation notation. Alright, remember, if we go left and right, let's look at this, left and right, we're gonna slide on the x-axis. If we go to left side, we're gonna use a negative number. If we go to the right side, we're going to use a positive number. Now, let's talk about up and down. If we go up, we're climbing up on the y-axis, and we're going to use a positive number. If we go down, let's change the color. We're climbing down, slide down on the y-axis. We're going to use a negative number. All right, let's look at this. We're going to use a coordinate notation to describe the translation. So our point is x coordinate, y coordinate. You can use a little arrow or you can add a little tail here. That tells us the translation is happening. Remember, left and right is talking about something gonna happen on the x-coordinate. We're going to add either a positive number or a negative number. Go to the right side. See this green here? You're gonna add a positive number. So 3 units to the right means we're going to use x plus 3. 5 down. Remember, down is on the y-coordinate, on the y-axis. Therefore, we're going to minus 5. Good work. All right. Start with xy and transformation. 7 units to the left. Left and right, we're looking at our x-coordinate. If it is left, we're going to add a negative number. Oh, you can see we're going to subtract number. So you can see we add a negative 7. You can see we subtract 7. Okay? And let's look at our up and down. Up and down takes care of y, your y coordinate. Go down, we're going to say we add a negative number. Or you can see we subtract 2. Okay? So negative 2 here. All down. All right, let's look at next one. Start with x, y, transformation happening. Pause this video, work on your own. I know you can do this. 4 units to the left, so we're gonna minus 4. 6 units up, 6 units up, so y gonna plus 6. Okay, all right. Last one, we're given coordinate pair x is 2, y is negative 4. And this part is your rule. The rule says we start with x and y. That's our pre-image. When we go to image, x coordinate need minus 4. Let's pause. What happened when we minus 4? Where do I go? Did you see we go to left side 4 units, 4 steps? That's right. Y plus 3. Where do you go? Did you see we're going to climb up on the y-axis 3 steps? Wonderful job. All right, let's finish the calculation. And 2 minus 4, 2 minus 4, that gives us a negative 2. Okay? All right, so we have negative 2. And negative 4 plus 3, negative 4 plus 3, that gives us negative 1. That is it. That's our last exercise.